I'm Julie Manns. This is the Unfinished Business Report Trade Ideas for Tuesday, December 6th. NUS on Friday's plan was a short, but it was a setup that we call a fastball in Adrian's book, and it is an expansion of range and volume with some certain parameters. So what we have for that is something called a checked swing, which is as if a fastball, if that particular setup doesn't go in the direction you thought it was going to go, you might be able to go more reliably in the opposite direction. So NUS had done that on Friday, and I just was trying to show you that Friday afternoon that we were expecting a short. You can see that it did travel to the short side, and then it consolidated and then moved higher. So that was a signal that you could take it to the long side. So NUS was one of the ones on our extra innings, or rather our trading plan for today. And you can see that it has popped a little bit higher intraday. Here is today's. This is sort of early in the day, but I'm going to keep it on my radar as a long for tomorrow if it does close in the top of its range. And we'll see if it doesn't want to push higher and back into this range. So that was to the long side. We're going to look at AN to the downside tomorrow if this does close closer to the bottom of the range. This was on the trading plan as a short today. Today was a very strong day and really a rather quiet day in the trading room. We did have some alternate entries, and AN was one of those. You can see that on the 5-minute chart, especially if I make it a little bigger here. It was gapped up. It didn't go down to hit our stated entry. However, it gives us opportunity to watch it as it pulls back and take a pullback entry. One of our bootcamp alumni took that as a short in the room today. Moving over to the daily chart, if this closes in the bottom of the range, I'll look at it again for tomorrow's trading. Finally, KMX. This was a scalp type trade on Adrian's trading plan for today. Didn't exactly develop, or hasn't developed yet, but if by end of day it's in the bottom of this range, I'll also look for that to continue lower. All right, I hope everyone had a great trading day. We are on the second week of the opportunity for people to join us in an open house. It's not too late to hop in on that if you'd like to try and see what we're up to in our trading room. We always have great ideas. Rick had several great trade ideas, as did Ken, and some of those were in low dollar stocks, which many people are interested in trading. Come on by, see what we're doing. Have a great afternoon.